We have a comb.
No, no.
It's a comb. You're stabbing yourself with a comb.
No.
Hey, Nadine. Hey. Ha. Oh. Rah. Hey. All right. Hey. Remember what this is? What's this?
Here.
What's this?
Cover the water.
What?
Ball.
It's a ball. What kind of ball?
I want a ball.
It's a baseball. Nadine, say baseball.
I want it.
You want it?
No.
You don't want it?
No.
What's this?
Oh.
It's a ball. What kind of ball?
I want it.
You don't want it?
No.
Hey, Mr. Baby. Do you want it?
Wow.
Do you want the ball?
Wow.
What kind of ball?
Wow. Wow.
What kind of ball is it, dude?
Wow.
It's the ball. What kind?
Wow.
Is it a basketball? No, it's not a basketball. It's not.
It's a baseball.
No, this is a baseball. This is a what? It's a soccer ball.
I want it.
You don't want it?
No.
Okay. But it's a soccer ball.
It's a soccer ball.
It's a soccer ball. What's this?
Wow.
Look at this. What is this?
I want it.
I know you don't want it, Nadine. Nobody asked you.
I want it, ball.
You want the ball?
Yeah.
You want the ball?
No.
No? You want this? Hey, look. It goes on your hand. See my hand? See my is this what's this? This is a hand?
Yeah.
It goes, the hand goes in it, and then you have it on your hand. You can go clap. It's a glove. It's a baseball glove.
So you can throw the baseball.
And you throw the baseball into the glove, and you catch it. And then you get somebody what's called out. You get them out, and you go, you're out.
I think you got it.
Can you do that? Can you say you're out and do the fist? You're out. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Here, do it. Do it. You're out. Good job. Nadine, you're out. What day? Soccer ball.
Hot day.
You don't want it?